You probably didn't know you could share a YouTube channel as a QR code before. It's one of YouTube's latest changes to their app. I can now share any YouTube channel as a QR code to clients, friends, family, or any Tom, Dick or Harry. Let me show you how easy YouTube have made this for us. You've got the YouTube app open on your phone. Type in the name of the channel that you want to make the QR code for. Tap on the three dots beside the YouTube channel name and tap on share. This will generate your YouTube channel into a QR code. And if you notice at the bottom, it says save to camera roll. You can go ahead and do this. From here, you can go into your camera roll and share it with whatever app that you want, Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever you want to do, and share that YouTube channel QR code with anyone. And that's all there is to it.